Good morning everyone, Guten Morgen from Austria, day 3 of my European trip. So as I couldn't do anything yesterday afternoon because of the rain, today I managed to fly the drone in the morning. It's not raining, the sky it's cloudy but it's good. So now I'm going to see the waterfall. It's about 150 more meters here. I'm going to have a look and then pitch down the tent and head on to Croatia. See you in a bit. It's amazing, stunning nature. Göllinger waterfall. I just divert a little bit with some footpaths through the forest, trails. So I just saw this bridge. I'm gonna come to see what is it, how it looks like. Looks amazing. The river streams below, and then up there back to the main path is where is the waterfall. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Austrian nature, amazing. Alps. Oh, I can see it. I think I can see it over there. What? Wow! It is big. On the grass, it's slippery as hell. Going for breakfast and a water and heading to Campostro. Campostro is just south of Rijeka. This is where I'm going today. Nice chalet. Don't drive on the opposite direction. So I'm gonna stop to let them know I'm checking out. I'm leaving the campsite. Thank you very much. Dankeschön. Bye bye. He's the host, I think, because I checked in with him yesterday. Look at that scenery, man. These people are living here. Bloody hell. Beautiful. I need to stop and put my gloves on, I forgot. Let me stop here. Up. Apparently this here is the motorway, which is toll. A10. I know this is E55. A10 was somewhere here as well. The guy on the petrol station yesterday told me if I don't get toll Vinet to avoid A10. I think it's My sat-nav is set to avoid tolls anyway, so I'm gonna drive back roads in Austria and then in Slovenia, and as soon as I cross Slovenia-Croatian border, then Rijeka is just down there. So this is Austrian motorway. I decided to go to the motorways because it would take forever, but still the scenery, look at this, man. In bloody hell, stunning. Ooh. Steep mountains covered with clouds. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful country. Castle on the hill. You'll see it better now. Bless. And the river flowing down there. Oh man. Da, 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 da. I mean, what is this? Out of this world. Look at this. Ah. Alright, so I'm driving on the motorway. All of a sudden, a couple of toll booths. Stop. Sorry, I have a vignette. I'm showing her the vignette. You must pay for the tunnel. How much? 13.50. Bloody hell, vignette is £6, €6 for 10 days. I don't know what this tunnel is. 13.50. You must pay for the tunnel. Where is the tunnel? I'm not in the tunnel yet. Kaschberg, 5.797 kilometers. So why is pay, for sake? 6 kilometer long tunnel, I have to pay €13. Okay, I'm crossing to Slovenia. Seems like I'm gonna have to buy vignette. 780. So after that come Austria.